We are looking at transforming clients and then transforming UI. What that means is that we are helping clients to think about their next generation applications and the experience and the development around that application. At the same time, we are looking at our own internal applications that we use and the tools that our people use and how those can be embedded with AI and generative AI so that we get more efficient and effective in doing the work that we do for our clients, right? So definitely from, and I'd say I speak for myself, not necessarily for the global firm, but at least as my position as the AI leader within UI GDS, based on what we are seeing with clients and based on the work we are doing, we expect that enterprise applications are going to be disrupted. The way enterprise applications are built today and the experience that they provide to end users is going to get disrupted in the near future, right? And what we are doing is helping clients see that future.